This video is brought to you by IXL, used by millions of students worldwide to get ahead in math, English, and more.
Hi, today we are going to spell words with the long O sound, O. Let's review some ways to spell this sound. Long O can be spelled with a silent E, like in the word bone, B-O-N. Long O can also be spelled with the letters O-A, like in boat, B-O-T, or the letters O-W, like in the word bow, B-O. When you spell, it may be hard to know which long O pattern to use. It takes practice, but here are some tips that can also help. If you hear the long O sound at the end of a word, it's most likely spelled with O-W, like in the words bow, slow, and glow. When you hear the O sound in a word and you're not sure how to spell it, you can try different patterns to see which one looks right to you. For example, to spell smoke, S-M-O-K. I might try to spell the O sound with O-A, but this looks funny to me. It's not what I remember seeing when I read the word smoke in books. The silent E pattern looks right though. Now let's spell some more words together. The first word is goat. G-O-T. We just need the letters for the middle sound, O. Since the missing letters and the O sound are in the middle of the word, let's try the O-A pattern. G-O-T. Goat. That's right. The next word is vote. V-O-T. Here we have the letters for the V and T sounds, but we're missing the letters for the O sound. Since the long O sound is in the middle of the word, and I see a consonant and a blank after it, this must be a silent E word. V-O-T. Vote. The next word is mow. M-O. We have the letters for the M already. The last sound is O. I know we use the O-W pattern at the end of a word. Let's try that and see if it looks right. This looks right to me. M-O. Mow. Let's do one more word. The last word is toad. T-O-D. We have the letter for the beginning sound, T. Now we need the letters for O-D. Do we want to use the silent E pattern, the O-W pattern, or the O-A pattern here? Well, the O sound is not at the end of the word, so O-W is probably not going to work. Let's try the other two options and see which one looks right. If we spell toad with a silent E, it will look like this. And that doesn't look right to me. If we spell the O sound with the letters O-A, it would look like this. This looks right to me. In the word toad, the letters O-A make the O sound. T-O-D. Toad. Way to go today! The more you practice reading and spelling words with long O patterns, the better you'll get at recognizing which pattern is right.
Head over to IXL.com for more practice on this skill and thousands more videos in math and language arts.